All right, time for our next video within our maintenance and reliability best practices framework. And within the maintenance management domain, today we're talking about MRO stores, or the storeroom. The maintenance, repair, and operations storeroom contains all of the parts necessary for us to execute maintenance and operational work that replaces parts within our line or in our plant or on our campus or wherever we may have equipment. The storeroom plays a critical role in ensuring uptime or availability of the asset. If an asset goes down because a part or wear component fails and the part does not exist in the storeroom, then we're going to have an extended period of downtime. In preparation of planned work, we want the storeroom to be ordering parts and bringing them in so they can be utilized in the fields. So the storeroom plays a critical role in not only the efficiency of the maintenance staff, meaning it needs to be well organized and with bin locations, with identification of parts so that anyone can find what they're looking for, but it also has to have the right parts based on risk to the business, as well as aspects such as lead time. How long does it take to get the part in? Lots of factors play in here, and they start with understanding how critical components are. So how critical a component is to the business affects what's called the service level expectation. Are you accepting if we are out 1 out of every 100 times we take a trip to the storeroom for the part, or 1 out of every 1,000 times that we take a trip to the storeroom for that part, or maybe 5 out of every 100? That service level and the lead time of the part plays into the math that helps determine how many should I keep on the shelf, what is my safety stock levels, when I am in need of an order, what is that trigger point, and when I order it, how many should I order? All of these factors play in to managing the storeroom well and ensuring part availability for our most critical components. In addition to that, the storeroom also has to have a preventative maintenance program. Inside the storeroom, there are parts that need to be managed. In some cases, those parts are things that have expiration dates, like an oxygen sensor, an O2 sensor. And so we've got to make sure we're managing those effectively and getting rid of things that are outdated or have hit their expiration dates. In addition to that, we have rotating equipment and parts that sit within the storeroom that have to be managed well. Things like gearboxes and pumps and motors, anything with a shaft, we should be turning that shaft at some regular interval to avoid a phenomenon known as false burnelling, in which case we create wear spots on the bottom of our bearings where the roller elements are vibrating against them, or the outer race of the bearing. And so we want to make sure that we manage the storeroom effectively. It is organized well. We have the right parts in the right amounts to minimize overall cost and ensure we are also reducing risk to the business. And we want to make sure we have a preventative maintenance program that manages those parts effectively.